You can either buy a truck through them or bring a truck. They'll stretch it, they'll shorten it, they'll build a box, whatever size, shape. You want to land a helicopter on the top, they can do it. You want to tow a boat, they can do it. Whatever you want to do, they can do it. And this is what we're here to talk about. If you're a self-builder and you want to get stuck in, they do a prefab kit. Let's go and look at that. If you see it and you're interested, it's on their website. Click again the link below and you'll see prefab on there. Prefab means prefabricated. And what I mean by that is there has been some fabrication done, not the full shebang, but a lot of it has been done. And it basically is going to save you a load of time, money and effort on some of the complicated stuff. You're going to get doors, you're going to get windows, you're going to get something that looks like this ready to go on a chassis. Small, 2, big. So we're now back at the creme de la creme. We're back at the 33-ton MAN 6-wheel driver. This is a prefab unit. This is everything you get in there. A slightly bigger box, doors and windows, and also how you connect it to the truck is all included. So you don't have to do any technical engineering. This is what's included. So turn up here with a truck and they drop it on. Let me show you what's included. This is it. This is the prefab. This is for me the sweet spot. If you're interested in doing a full build but are worried how to design the subframe, how to design the box, you're also struggling perhaps for time, money and effort, then this is the perfect sweet spot. You can still come in, you can claim you got your hands dirty and this is a bit of a DIY because there's still loads to do, but the heavy lifting has been done for you. The setting out, the bed structures, the blinds, the windows, everything like that has all been done. It'll save you so much time. Let's talk through what's not included because we wired up the lights temporarily. We put a tap in here just to make it look nice. The electrical system is not included because you can do what you want. You can go mad or you can keep the budget restricted. Plumbing, and that means your heating as well, is not included. But again, you can go mad. You can put underfloor heating on this, you can put radiators, you can just put a couple of diesel night heaters in there. You can do whatever you want budget-wise thereafter. And the final thing is the soft furnishings, because do you know what? I'd love to give my wife the option for that. So we talked about what's not included, but let me just break down exactly what is included because it is an awful lot. You're getting a prefab Habitation box, which is 60mm composite GRP with aluminium reinforcements. It's fully insulated, there's no cold bridges, it's lightweight and waterproof. Subframe is bespoke and made by Motorcraft, designed specifically for your chassis, your truck, your van, whatever you want to build. That, again, complicated. Just get someone else to deal with that. Motorcraft, you're the experts, down with it. Doors and windows, pre-fitted Expedition windows, not just the plastic ones. Double glazed, blackout blinds and fly screens, pre-fitted entrance door, and automotive grade hardware. I can't do that, I can't make that. Motorcraft, just do that for us. All right, interior build, this is where it gets good. Major furniture pieces supplied and pre-assembled. Ta-da! Modular installation. That's made up of 13mm birch ply cabinetry with bamboo worktops. I think we need. Seat boxes with storage, like we've got over my shoulder here, and storage cupboards. Fantastic. This is all the complicated stuff. If you don't have a CNC machine, you can't get the same level of standards that these guys are producing here, and you can pre-buy the prefab kits. Bathroom, shower tray, bathroom walls, bathroom door. Shower tray, GRP, bespoke shower tray, ready to go, loose laid there, so you can do whatever you want paneling wise, whatever you want toilet wise, heating wise, you want a heated towel rail, plumb it yourself, it's all ready to go. Fantastic. Right, and the final thing then is water systems, because again, where you get water tanks from is a nightmare. We found that out. We came to Motorcraft specifically for water tanks. So they will provide a fresh water tank that will be vehicle specific capacity, depending on what layout and what weight you are as well, and external fill point installed. Do you only have this option? No. There are, I think, almost 10 different options. Loads. So it's not like some other manufacturers will only give you 1 or 2 options depending on the size. These guys will do loads of different options, whatever you want. Not fully bespoke, it's within a certain criteria, but you can get heaps and heaps of options. So you're not restricted there. And even better than that, if, for example, you don't want to take on the electrical work, but you're interested in doing the plumbing work, for example, they will do the electrical kit for you, and you can take on just the finishes and the fixtures and fittings and the plumbing work yourself. So whatever you want to do, give these guys a call. But a prefab kit, as somebody likes to get stuck in, but doesn't have the engineering capacity that Motorcraft have, the prefab is the sweet spot for me.